Mama! Mama! Come oh! I'm ready to go to school.
I'm coming.
I'm running late. Mama, where are you going to?
I'm going to the shop.
To do what?
To sell, of course.
Mama, now, you're not feeling fine. Just go inside and lie down. When I come back from school, I'll go to the shop.
Coach, am I bedridden?
No, ma.
Nothing is wrong with me. Let's go.
Ma, see your eyes. They're not looking...
Coach, I don't like sitting at home, you know that. Let's go.
Just go inside. When I come back, I'll go to the shop.
Tochi, you'll read for your exams, right?
But these few days will not stop me from my
Tochi,
Hey, I didn't bring my bag. Mama, wait, let me get my school bag.
Understand? You know, once I come to your domain, even if they want to punish you, but to me, you're settled. I'm assuring you that. Give me a chance now, please. Say something now. Hi. Baby, please now. Just look me away. Child! Me, Charles. She said, excuse me.
I saw that. I saw it.
Now, you see all these SS1 girls in this school? Hi. Those girls are very annoying. Just imagine this small girl. SS1, oh, SS1.
But you should know now, You should know all these girls, They like to show themselves. But one thing I am sure that girls don't like is when a guy throws himself on them uncontrollably. Yes, that I'm sure.
Wait, oh. Are you in any way trying to say me? I am training myself on that girl. That become.
Wait. So forget the fact that we're friends. So if I don't tell you this one now, so you don't know that you throw yourself on girls. Yes, now.
God forbid.
That is what everybody is saying. All the girls in this school, even outside this school, they know that.
May thunder fire every one of them. In any position they are right now. May thunder fire every one of them. Me.
My guy.
But okay now. I admire you and Tochi. I at times I just wish I am in your position.
Guy, thank you. But I also want you to know that Tochi and I are just friends.
You say what?
We are just, you say what? We are just friends, Oga. You say what?
Wait. Do you think these eyes are closed? No. The eyes are widely open. Everybody in this village knows very well that you and Tochi are very close friends. And you should make sure both of you end together.
See, I don't doubt it. Tochi and I are good friends. In fact, we are fond of each other. We love our company together. It is always a beautiful thing. But the fact still remains that I don't want to be in a hurry. We've both agreed that after we're done with our secondary school, get into university, graduate, come out and get good jobs, then we can now consider getting married. But right now, no.
After secondary school, you both graduate from the university and both look for a job.
What's that?
And both. See, let me tell you. In fact, let me even advise you now.
Hey, you. Advise me. Okay.
Okay. Let me rephrase my sentence. Let me tell you.
Better.
You see this girl, Tochi? You better grab that girl now and marry that girl. If not, hey! You see all those city boys that used to come to the village? That moves around. Hey! By the time they grab that girl, then I think that you have real sense.
Okay, I have heard you. The fact still remains that we are not going to be under any pressure. We're not in a hurry. When the time is right, we'll do what is needful. Have you heard me?
Hey, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No, wahala.
To you. Sorry, okay, calm down, sorry.
Your daughter is coming. She are coming.
What happened to my mother? What happened to my mother?
She fell down. She was supposed to come.
Mama, you okay? Just gotta look for a bike. Come on, help me. Go bike. Come on. I begged Mama, I begged her. I told her, Mama, please. Don't go anywhere. Mama, please just stay back at home. She will go. Now look at what is happening.
It's okay, And besides, Mama was sick and needed some medical attention.
Where do I get that kind of money from? She read what the doctor said. Where do I get that kind of money?
So,
Ikenna, Mama is...
I know, I have everything. How is she? What's the situation?
Very bad, oh. Very bad. 95,000. 95,000. Where do I get that kind of money from?
See, listen to me. Relax. Please take care of her. I'm coming back now.
Where are you going to?
Don't worry. I'll be back very fast.
Where's Ikenna? Where are you going? Where's Ikenna going to? Hey.
Ikenna, you need money, right?
Yes.
So let him be. He's a man and he knows what to do.
Where do you expect him to get that kind of money from?
How is that your business? Look.
Ikenna.
Eh?
Where are you going to now?
Oh, nah, I'm in a hurry.
Calm down. I was coming to your house so we can do some preview on the WAEC past question.
Yeah, see, Charles, this can wait. As you can see, I was running to sort something out.
Hey, Tobiekwa, I don't understand. What is more important than our own WAEC past question? You and I know that we are going to start in a few months' time.
See, I don't have time for these questions. Tochi's mother is sick. She's in the hospital.
Yeah.
Which one is Are you following me or not? I'm going to stay there now.
Okay, wait now, let's go.
How are you? Excuse us. Yes.
Where are you going to? I was calling you.
Listen, I had to go to the house to pick something. Here. This is 100,000 naira. Use it for Mama's hospital bills.
Where did you get this kind of money from?
Listen, I have been working at the construction sites every weekend to save up. That's why I was able to save up this money to fix my leaking roof. Because since my parents died 7 years ago, it has been leaking. And also get textbooks for our forthcoming exams. But you need it more than I do now, so you have to keep it. Take.
Ikenna, you're giving me your life savings.
Hey, listen, don't cry. Listen, don't cry. Honestly, I wish I had more. I would have given you more than this because you deserve much more than this. Listen, this proves how far I can go for you and the love that we share. Please.
How do you go about the leaking roof and your textbooks?
Okay, there's always going to be a way out. Don't worry, I'm going to save up a few more and fix my leaking roof. And for the textbooks, the same happens to the textbook. I might borrow anybody's I might borrow your textbook.
Ikenna.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think you should
Please,
go and
come and
fix
see you. Ikenna, give me the money.
It's okay. Come, it's okay.
Ikenna, wait. Ikenna, what kind of stupid love? Ikenna, you've been making lots of sacrifices for this girl. A few months ago, you paid for her WAEC. All because she said thieves broke into her mother's shop and took all their money. Okay, the other time she was sick and needed blood. All you could do was to go and empty your own blood for her. What kind of stupidity is that one? Now you, look at this money you've been saving for only God knows when. Money you're supposed to use to fix the roof in your house. The roof that has been leaking for so long. Or even at least use it to buy textbooks for your future. You went and put it on her again. I don't understand this one. Do you want to be stupid to your grave?
If that is what you call me for caring for a woman that I cherish so much, no problem.
Are you serious? You better stop this nonsense, oh! Ikenna, you better stop this nonsense! See, let me just tell you. The only reason I am still coming to this place after your stupid and foolishness is because of your creativity and the talent you have.
At least I have something that brings you back all the time.
Come, Ikenna. What these things where you they create every time? Why you never create where person go fit? Go fit just sit down. Like, if person come visit you, you go carry your keep.
Because this place is a workshop. This is not where you come and keep your nyash. If you want to sit down, if you want comfort, you go over there. And if you must stay here, Oga, you would keep quiet, Oga. Huh? Yes. Keep quiet.
Why do I feel as if you're insulting me? Okay. No problem. No wahala. No problem. So, what is this one again, Mr. Creator?
Oga, I have told you times and times again that I do not create. I am an inventor. This is an invention. Do you understand? So, now, what you are looking at would be what I would call a dual solar capacity cooking and roasting machine.
That name no long.
The longer the better.
So, what is this one going to be doing?
Do you know that by the time I'm done with this invention, like the name implies, solar, you don't need to fuel it, you don't need to use gas, diesel, anything on it. All you have to do is place it directly under the sun for up to 4 hours, and you can use it uninterrupted for 4 days on a stretch.
Wait. How do you use it?
Okay, very simple. Now, I intend to use this as a regulator. Okay. So, anyone can regulate how hot, cold, mild they want it to be. Whatever they are cooking or roasting at the same time. It's just by using this regulating button or whatever you want to call it.
Okay, what?
Regulating button or anything I might just name it at the end of the day because I'm not done. It's still work in progress.
So wait. You want to tell me now that if you take this machine now to the sun, you get a charge?
Yes.
That's where.
Once I finish. That's all.
This is the only reason why I keep coming close to this. Don't say at times they mumu, at times they stupid yourself. I'm not trying to insult you. You understand? But hey, Ike Baba.
Hey. See, I am the best thing that happened to you because it is part of my sense that you're using. You don't know.
You don't get. Where are you going to dress like a prostitute?
Please don't insult me.
Which one is insult you? Are you dressed like a human being? Are you not supposed to be at home? Is it not getting late?
I'm going for a party. Are you coming with me?
God forbid.
What's God forbid? They are wait for you, Joe.
Hey, my friend, come and go now that there is time. Because I am not going anywhere with you. I cannot start sleeping outside my father's house at this tender age. Besides, you know my mother is not feeling fine. So I cannot come and go on time. Tomorrow is school. Tomorrow night you come to class and start sleeping like a dog fowl. Granite. I know, granite no food. Biscuit 15 naira. Thank you, yeah. See, come and start going on time. Go now before it gets dark. I'm not going anywhere with you. Hey, how can you dress like this?
So just one day that you miss school, now you die, Abby? Please, I don't need all this negative vibe around me. I'll just when I get back.
Go.
And wait.
How do I look? You look like a prostitute. Akuna Jamaica by your hair. Hey! Christy! Wait, did you wear this? See, boys.
My daughter.
Mama.
You've not told me how you raised the money for my hospital.
Mama, Ikenna gave it to me.
Which Ikenna? Ikenna Nkemma?
Yes. Yes, Mama.
How did he get it?
Mama, he works at building sites after school. He said he was saving the money to change the roof of his house and also buy some books for the WAEC preparation.
Chai. Oh. He did all that.
Yes, Mama.
God Almighty will bless that boy.
Amen. Amen.
My daughter, please. That boy has done a lot for this family. Don't disappoint him tomorrow. Pico.
Mama, Ikenna and I are just friends.
Tochi, your mother is not a child. Ikenna likes you.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you? I'm fine.
Yeah, come and sit down. Eat this food.
I'm coming. I'm looking for my tool. I don't know where I get it.
You know, whenever you're doing this thing, you are never ready. Mama made food for you, specially for you. So she asked me to bring it.
Me?
Yes, now. Specially. You know she's recovering, so she made this one specially for her. You see plenty meat. You give me one, Abby.
For me?
For us.
No.
You give me one.
You ate your own in the house.
I'll take
now.
the food
No,
back
nah.
I do not.
I'll cut small for you.
You're not small. Just give me one. Just give me one.
I mean, this is
Me.
I mean.
I don't know, but it's plenty now. So it's
Plenty meat.
Plenty.
Hey.
Oh yeah, you give me two.
Are you sure you have the still meat in your own pot?
Yes, now. Mama made it for you. We have meat, plenty meat. But you give me now. Come. Overthrowing the civilian government.
My friend, keep quiet. You were not listening. Yes.
I was.
I caught you.
I was just admiring you and wondering how lucky I am to have you.
You're joking.
No.
How can?
Look at you. You're the most gifted and most talented person I have seen in the whole world. I know that someday you're going to be a very big engineer.
Me too. In fact, that is what I want to be in the future.
I'm proud of you.
And I'm super proud of you.
How can I am not talented and you are?
But you're so beautiful, and that covers for every other thing that I have.
Tales of Shakespeare.
Oga, how long have you been peeping?
Huh? Peeping? I've not been peeping anybody. I've just been here enjoying the poetic lines both of you are giving to each other.
A civilian government and state.
Oga, come and sit down. Let me teach you.
Hey.
Sit here. Sit here.
Should I sit here or should I sit here?
Oga, sit here.
What's the meaning of this nonsense now? What are you doing here dressed like this?
What is wrong with what I'm wearing? We're all adults now.
Which one is what is wrong? How can you dress like this? See your breast, see your lap. Please come and start going. Come and start going. If you're an adult to your mother, me and me shout to my mom. Please come and go before she comes here and sees you.
What is going on here? What is that your name? Christy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did your grandmother see you dressed like this before leaving her house? Did she?
What is wrong with what I'm wearing now?
Oh, you can't see anything wrong with what you are wearing. No, you cannot. Because you don't know what you are doing. This one is, you are still in the village, dressed like this. By the time you gain admission into the university, by then, yes.
Mama, I don't like this thing you're doing. You're embarrassing me now.
Oh, I am embarrassing you. You are the one embarrassing yourself. Shut up, Shut your mouth. You are the one embarrassing yourself. Listen and listen good. I don't want to see you anywhere around my daughter. Are you hearing me? I don't want to see you close to my daughter again. Get out of my shop. Come on, get out of my shop. Idiot.
Chrissy, go and dress.
Yes, come on, shut up. Get out of my shop, animal. Now she's wearing this kind of... Tochi.
Mama.
I am bothered about that girl you call your friend.
Christy.
Exactly. This thing you're doing, does she do that?
Reading.
Exactly.
Yes, Christy is one of the intelligent students in my class. I'm sure she's doing that now, sir.
Then, why is she not responsible? I think this is the reason her parents chased her out of the city, down to this village.
I do not understand.
My daughter, please, I want you to be very careful.
Okay, I will be careful. Here for this topic. Yes.
Listen, if your mother is complaining about her, then you should pay more attention.
There's nothing to pay attention about here. My mother is just overreacting. I mean, Chrissy is a good person. The thing here is that she lived most of her life in the city. And it affected her dress code and the way she thinks. You don't expect a beautiful girl like her to come back to this village and start dressing like a village girl, do you?
Wait, are you trying to tell me that people in the city dress half naked?
That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying is that my mother thinks that Christy is irresponsible, and I think otherwise.
Why?
Because she's a nice girl. Do you know that girl? She's very intelligent. The things that she says, they are very, very intelligent. Do you know what that girl told me? She said that I should marry you immediately after secondary school, so that nothing will come between us.
Listen, I have told you times and times again, nothing will come between us. Eh? Nothing. Let's just take this. Let's just take it gradually. With time, everything will, work out.
When is time? When is time? Eh? Since that everybody in this village knows that we're boyfriend and we're girlfriend. Have you ever kissed me? Eh? Even that thing that all those small children in this village.
What thing?
That thing now. They say it's very interesting.
Keep your mouth shut now. Eh? If somebody hears you now, what would you explain to them that you are saying?
We are boyfriend and we are girlfriend. Nobody is thinking anything. Are we not it?
Yes, but
Liz can do it now.
This thing now.
Liz can do it. Nobody will quarrel. Nobody will even know. They said that the thing is interesting. Let's do it.
Don't you have shame?
Why shouldn't we talk about it? I mean, What else is there for you to talk about? Eh? If you ask me, Ikenna is not man enough.
No, Christy. I will not have you talk about him like that.
Face it, Oshi. Face it. Your so-called boyfriend is a weakling. Eh? Even though these small village boys know how to do this thing, he's there complaining. Nonsense.
Christy.
Hmm?
Did I just hear you say all these small boys? No.
I'm just giving you an instance now.
Excuse me. Have you been doing it with them?
I'm just giving you an instance. Eh?
No. That one no sound like example.
Now example I give
It no sound like
Madam, not reading
excuse me.
Now example.
It sound like you did convince, like you don't did one. Tell me the truth.
She's so weird.
Hey! Hey, Christy.
I'm not doing anything.
You are now a bad
just
girl.
Example, small
No
example.
wonder you waste
Small
the
example,
big.
you just take it
no
serious.
wonder your
abeg.
breast.
Let's go.
Please, can I get something cold?
Okay.
Anything that is cold.
Yes. Get him something cold. Hey, can you eat some? Yeah?
Thank you.
Bye. Touch it. Hey. Touch it.
Ma?
Why were you looking at him like that? Do you know him?
I wasn't looking at him. He's my friend. I know him. I've seen him before.
Come on, stand there. Stand there. Who is your friend? How? Where? On what occasion?
He's my school teacher.
Hey, do you know you lie a lot these days? When did you start this? Who is your school teacher? Tochi. Ha.
We want to go and meet I'll go collect textbook.
Come back here. Come back here.
On the textbook, they are going to see.
Sit down here.
Seems like you really like this guy. With the way you talk about him. Who is he?
I love him actually. I don't know who he is, but I know that I love him so much. And guess what? I'm going to get him for myself.
So you just saw someone and fell in love with him just like that?
Just like that. You see that copper boy? I will get him. Don't worry. Don't worry. Am I not taking?
How are you going to do that? You don't even know him.
I don't even know how, but I know that I will get him. Not every girl has power. Every girl has power now.
This is serious, oh. See, my girl is in love. But remember, you still have Ike now. Hey.
And what has Ikenna got to do with it?
Let's go and get our bags. Let's go and get our bags.
Yes, Dad. The house is very good. Yeah, it's okay. It's still the same way it has always been. Yes. Just that I need to like buy some things and then fix few things here and there. But I'll do that later. Who's that? Dad, can I call you back later? Alright, take it. Who is there?
Hi.
Are you looking for someone?
I came to see you.
Have we met before?
You came to buy something at my mother's store the other day.
Oh, yes, I remember. You're the girl. How is your mother?
She's fine, thank you.
All right.
I came to say, welcome to our village.
It is also my village. This is my parents' house. They used to live here, and I do visit from time to time from school. But now they live in the city, so it's my village too.
Okay, my name is Tochi.
My name is Edwin. Tochi, nice to meet you. Wait, do you mind if I offer you something to drink or eat?
Okay.
Let's go inside. Thank you very much for coming to check on
me. Ikenna.
Sir?
You know one thing? You are one of the most talented individuals I've ever seen.
Thank you, sir.
And you possess raw talent. And it will be a delight for me to see that you excel in all your undertakings in life.
Thank you, sir.
If only you can clear all your papers in WAEC, I will ensure that you win the scholarship.
Sir. Sir, thank you so much.
I'm telling you the gospel.
Sir, thank you so much for believing in me and for always supporting me. Thank you. God bless you.
Ikenna.
Sir.
You see, you have the capabilities and you have the ingenuity. And it will be a great delight for me to see that you rule the world. Thank you. Because you're a gifted child.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I don't know how to thank you, sir.
You are indeed a gifted child.
I don't know how to thank you for all you have been doing for me, for being a father figure. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
No, really. I just feel like I'm rushing things. I need to calm down.
Why? Do you want to lose him?
Not at all, but I'm throwing myself on him too much and it's not good. He should be the one coming after me.
Is he complaining?
Huh? No. He's not complaining, but he should be the one coming after me. After all, I'm the girl now.
It doesn't matter. Toshi? The most important thing here is that you like him and he's beginning to look your way. So, my dear, you keep pushing. Ha! What for you?
Are you serious?
I don't like with that thing. I beg, how is your so-called lover?
Don't speak about King now.
I don't know. I haven't seen her in a while now. I believe she's busy. She's very busy. You know, our exams are around the corner. So she might be preparing for it. Yeah? Reading.
But we've been doing this together all this while. Why is she not doing it now alone?
You see, maybe now she understands more as she reads alone. You know that some people don't understand when they read with people. They understand more when they read by themselves. Maybe that's what is happening with her now.
Kenna, I think you're giving too much excuses for this girl.
See, let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the truth.
I am smelling something. Something fishy. There is something fishy somewhere. I'm smelling a rat.
A rat?
Yes.
What are you saying?
See, I think Tochi is seeing someone that is taking her time.
Sir! Sir, I'm coming, sir. What kind of nonsense are you saying? Eh? You and I know that is not possible in this village.
You can't be sure. See, my instinct is really telling me this, and I am going to believe it.
See, please, don't spoil my day. Yesterday, the principal gave me a news that is still making me so overwhelmed, and I don't want anything to spoil it. Please, excuse me.
I'm serious, so.
I was coming to see you.
What for?
Nothing, I just wanted to visit you. Are you going out?
Obviously, I am.
Can I join you, please?
Hop in.
So I've been meaning to ask you. Your parents stay in the city and your siblings too?
I am an only child.
Really?
Yep.
Oh wow. How does that make you feel? Do you feel different?
No. I'm okay.
Because I don't feel the same. I'm an only child too.
Oh, I see. That makes the both of us.
Yes. Yeah. Are you in a relationship? There's something I want to say, but I don't know how it will come at you.
Come on. Go ahead. Free your mind. Say whatever you want to say.
I really like you. I like you so very much that the day I saw you in our store, I couldn't hold myself. I kept staring at you.
Is that not Tochi? Hey! Ikenna must hear this.
I'm sorry if that did not come out well, but you said I should air my mind.
It's fine, okay? But it's not a bad thing to say. And moreover, I am a very easygoing person.
So do you like me?
Hello? Ikenna? Ikenna? Hello? Yes. Ikenna, you won't believe what I just saw now. I saw Tochi with a man inside the car. I am telling you, you know the problem I have with you is that you're always doubting me. These people just drove past me now. Yes. No wahala. Yes, I will make sure I follow them and know the person that is driving that car. No wahala. Yes. All right, later.
Come back here. Come here.
Ma?
Is that not the boy you and I talked about?
Which boy?
The boy I said you were looking lustfully at. Right there in our shop.
I wasn't looking lustfully at anybody. That person is my teacher and he's also my friend.
He is just your friend. Now he carries you anyhow in his car. Comes to drop you anytime he wants. No problems. But just dare me. Tochi, just dare me. Let that boy come between you and Ikenna. Shut your mouth. I've not finished talking. Let that boy come between you and Ikenna. Then you will know the true mother you have. You will see my true color. I can see you've not known me. You don't know your mother's true color. Let that boy come between you and Ikenna. Then you will know your mother. Stupid girl. Look at what my daughter is wearing. Look at what my daughter is wearing.
It's function.
Hey. What are you doing here, sitting all alone, with mosquito all over you?
Nah. Did you find out anything?
Yes. I actually heard that he's a new copper in the village. And he's the son to one Chief Chukwuemeka Ani. Yes, he lives in the city. I also had a rumor and a 3 confirmation. He has been going out with Tochi for a while.
My Tochi?
Yes.
What is it now? Why are you getting my name everywhere? What is it?
Was he talking to you? Popo?
Was I talking to you?
Tochi.
Uh-huh.
What is going on?
Where?
You no longer come looking for me again.
You did not tell me you gave birth now. What is it?
Tochi, I don't understand this gist I'm hearing. What exactly do you have with this new copper guy?
Can you see? Can you see? In fact, you are very, very stupid to think you sit around with people and discuss me. You are mad. Let me see you talk to me.
Sandy, Popo. Ikenna, Shebi, you see. Now you see, but
guy, keep quiet for 1 minute now, eh? Just keep your mouth shut. We're not even sure if what we're hearing is true.
Hey, Ikenna. All I can tell you now is to find a way to forget about this girl. It's obvious she never loved you. I mean, you have a life to live. You have a greater future ahead of you.
How am I supposed to just move on and forget about Tochi? Does it even make sense to you? Is it even possible?
But I told you about this at the beginning. I told you about it, but you wouldn't listen. Okay. Why don't you tell the mom about it?
No, I won't do that. It doesn't make sense. I have a better idea. What if I give her enough time to realize that she's making a mistake and probably come back to me?
Ikenna, do you ever listen to yourself? What on earth will make Tochi come back to you? Is it a car you have? Are you a copper? What on earth will make Tochi come back to you? Or is it this thing you say you are creating here that will make Tochi come back here?
I'm glad I met you before. I see you're about going out. Can I talk to you?
No, you cannot talk to me. I'm going to my mother's shop. My mother, I want to go and assist her.
You're going to your mother's shop? And you are dressed in this short skirt? Tochi, why are you lying to me? Why are you lying to me? What have I done to deserve this?
Please. I don't want that emotional blackmail to not work on me. I don't want all this nonsense now. What is this now? I told you I want to come and help my mother in her shop. You're here disturbing. Like I said, don't disturb me. If you are tired, you can start watching.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Mama, please, can I see Tochi?
Tochi is at home. She said she wants to read. She obtained permission from me that she will not be coming to the shop. So I allowed her.
Mama, I saw Tochi a few minutes ago. And she told me she was coming to help you here in the shop. And she was all dressed.
All dressed?
Yes.
No, she must have tricked you. Tochi. She must have gone out with Christy.
Mama, what for?
I wish I knew. I wish.
Okay, Mama, I'll just go and look for her. Maybe I might see her.
Okay.
Thank you,
my
Mama.
son. Thank you.
Bye, Mama.
Okay, bye. Tochi. Hey.
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Oh, good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. How you dey?
I'm fine, no.
How is your health now?
My health is better now.
Okay.
Okay. You were among those people that carried me up.
Yeah.
Hey, my daughter, thank you.
All right, ma.
God bless you. What about your sister?
She's fine. She's fine.
Yeah, you people helped me that day.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Extend my greetings to her. Okay. Tell her I am now very well. That nothing. Okay, please, thank you so much for helping me that day.
Okay, ma.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care.
Take care. Oh, ezigbo mmadụ. Oga, you never give me money now.
Mama, abeg, no vex abeg.
Oh, na credit you be one buy am.
No, Mama, abeg. I just think so many thinking.
No dey think oh. No be you get Nigeria.
Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
How you go carry things for head wey be say you go buy something, you no go give me money? Yeah. Na you be Buhari. Na what for you?
Mama.
Did you see her?
Mama, I couldn't find her anywhere. I searched all over, but I couldn't find her. Mama, I have to go now. Bye, Mama.
My son. Come. You see, Tochi is being distracted. Yes. There is this new copper in our village. Tochi now follows him around. Yes. Since they chased that girl out from the city to the village, what is her name again?
Christy.
Christy. My daughter has not been the same. She has started doing what she does not do. I am afraid. I am worried.
Mama, don't worry. I'll continue talking to her. Eh? I believe she will change.
Please do, my son.
Mama, let me start going so I can read for my exams.
Okay, dear. Thank you. Oh.
Bye, Mama. Tochi. Tochi, so you lied to me.
About what?
You told me you were going to assist your mother at the shop. So, this is what you are doing with this copper, jumping in and out of his vehicle.
What's the meaning of that nonsense now? What do you mean by jumping in and out? Am I a frog? Please don't insult me.
When did you become a prostitute?
Are you mad? How dare you call me a prostitute? Do I look like one? See, let me just give you the last one. This one is the last one. Any other day you put your mouth in my gist, I will slap you. It's like you are mad. Get out from here now. What are you still doing there? Leave here now. How will you stay and whip you? Leave here. Get out. Just go. Go. Get out. Get out.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Welcome.
Welcome.
You remember that my best friend I told you about?
Yes,
Christy.
yes.
This is her. Christy, this is my boyfriend, Edwin.
Good afternoon, Edwin. My friend has been saying a lot of fascinating
You
things
shake
about
like
it.
this when you meet somebody.
Wow, she did.
Yes, she did a lot. Yes, it's fine. No.
Okay, we planned on going out to get ice cream. Do you mind joining us?
Yeah, why no? I see what happened, no? Hey.
All right, let me change into something better. All right, now, let's go inside. Let me get my things.
Hey, let's wait for you now.
Okay, I'm coming.
You see this guy, you want to leave. I'm just using why to look you like this. If you let this sweet boy slip off your pants like this, I'll be your first contender.
I will not leave him. You don't know me and Edwin want to get married. Yes, now forget married. This car. Hey. See, this car is the smallest car. Yes, in the house. Hey. You will give me this car. I want to give it to my
My dear, that small girl is doing big things, oh.
My dear sister, I heard that she's the one throwing herself on that copper boy. What if he gets her pregnant and denied it?
She and her mother will bear the shame, of course. How can Mama Toshi not caution her daughter, a child as small as Toshi?
You know, that woman is a disgrace to all women in this village.
After all the sacrifices that poor boy, Ikena, made to that family, Mama Toshi and her daughter have no shame.
You know, she's always supporting her daughter.
First of all, God Almighty will punish the two of you for saying what you don't know. Two of you, you are very, very stupid for gossiping that I am in support of my daughter. You are very, very stupid.
Mama Toshi.
Shut up! Let me finish what I'm saying. You are mad. I heard all you said. So come and shut your mouth. I said shut your mouth. How can you talk about somebody's home? Always gossiping about somebody's home. Can't you stay in your house? Why will you gossip about my home? Are you mad? Are you stupid? You don't have to talk about somebody's home. Mind your business. Mind your business. Don't talk about my home. Come on, get out of here, idiot. Thank you. Thank you for what? Idiot. Animals. Just gossiping. You have nothing doing in the village except to talk about somebody's house.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
Christy, have I not warned you to stay away from my daughter? That you're not the kind of friend she should have. Have I not?
Yes, ma'am.
And you? Youth copper. Instead of you to do the primary assignment you're sent here to do, you are busy going after young girls. Young girls old enough to be your younger sisters.
Mama, we are not doing anything. Edwin here is just putting us through some past questions in preparation for our
Come and shut your mouth.
Mama, what is happening here? Please, no.
It's Mama, she's embarrassing your guest.
Mama, why now? Mama, why are you doing like this now? They came here because they want to teach me what.
Come on, shut your mouth. Are you mad? Tell me, are you mad? You, stay away from my daughter. A million miles away from my daughter.
Mama.
If not, I'll make you stay away.
Mama, you make me fear this Wayeko. Mama, you make me fear this Wayeko. I'm coming here. Wait for me. Mama, say you're embarrassing me in front of people. Mama, say you're embarrassing me in front of people.
Tochi, stand here.
Mama, I want to go to the toilet.
Tochi! Listen, let me tell you. If you think you can bring shame to this family, better start thinking again, because you will not. Since your father died, I've been the one taking care of you. Of all the training I've given you, you've threw all of them to the wind and decided to be wayward. Tochi.
Mama, what did I do now? What have I done now? Can't I go out and come back to my father's house in peace?
Tochi,
Mama.
If you leave this place, I will kill you here. Are you mad? Are you mad, Tochi?
Mama, me, I'll fight you back.
Fight who?
Fight you back.
Fight who? Fight me, Tochi. Tochi, fight me. Fight me, Tochi.
See, just wait. I've warned you. I'm warning you again. Don't come to this house and be putting your mouth to something else. Even you. I've never liked you.
Can you imagine
this
this?
house?
Come and stay here.
Come on now,
stay here.
So
you want to retaliate? No, I don't know. But wait. After all you did for us in this house, this girl, she just threw everything inside you. Come here,
Mama,
this girl.
Leave me now, Mama. Leave
No,
me
fight
alone
me.
now.
She wants to fight me.
I want to fight, Mama.
Fight me. Let me kill you and bury you. Tochi, you are pregnant. Tochi, after all I taught you, you decided to pay me like this. I hope you know this is the end of your life. Yes, I hope you know. By the way, where is the animal living? Tochi, where is the animal living?
Edwin! Edwin!
Wait. What are you doing here unannounced?
It's my mother. Oh, she will not let me into the house unless I pray somebody that will pay my bride price.
Somebody to pay your bride price? Is this a joke?
No, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
See, I don't have time for all this nonsense. Excuse me.
Wait now, you're joking. You said you're going to marry me.
Me? Said I will marry you.
You have a cow, nobody will beat you if you marry me.
No, I don't want this joke. What is it? What's wrong with you? See, I don't have time for this joke. I'm rushing somewhere. You're still here. Listen, Tochi, I cannot marry you. I cannot marry you. I am not going to marry you.
Please, can you stop? You're breaking my heart. I thought you loved me. Why are you doing this now?
You thought. I'm happy you said thought, so I did not tell you. So stop thinking.
How can you say something like this? How can you forget what we shared just like that? Remember, you took me to town with my friend and you bought a lot of things. Plenty things.
You ate my money.
You made me believe that you loved me. Hence, I lost my virginity with you.
Hey, don't even go there. Don't even try that one. It's here more that if you lose your virginity with someone, you must marry that person. The person that I lost my own to. Did I marry her? Did I? Look, I'm going for clearance. I don't have time for this nonsense. Let's get out of here.
What do I do? What do I do now?
Hey, do whatever you want to do now. If you know what is good for you, go and abort this child. Go and abort it.
Edwin, are you suggesting that I commit an abortion? Do you want me to die? I am just a teenager.
You will not die. Something that everybody is doing. All you do is just take something and this child will be out. You just did it yourself. You are 19. Don't ruin your life by yourself. I've given you a solution.
Wait. Will you go with me?
Go with you to where? Did you not hear that I have a clearance? Please leave this place. Get out.
Edwin, please, Edwin, I beg you.
See, God. You want me to do the abortion for you here now? Please, Should I do it for you now?
Ikenna, what are you still doing here? Ikenna, we are starting the exams tomorrow and they are welcoming us with almighty chemistry. I would like you to teach me.
Of course. That is why I am your friend. I will definitely help you. So let me teach you. If I don't teach you, who will? I will teach you.
You're not bragging now. Because you know it, you're not bragging. ITK.
I am not bragging now.
And this your happiness. I thought you're still mourning.
My guy, I am done. I have to face my future. I have so many people I would not want to fail. The likes of our principal.
Talking about this principal, this man really likes you.
Yes.
But that is the most wicked man I have ever seen in this village.
Hey.
I am just shocked that he is doing what he is doing for you. I mean, it is something that he has never done for anybody before.
That's because I am not anybody. I am the special one. Get that into your thick skull.
Ah, okay, you're the special one. Me, I'm unspecial.
I didn't say that now. Eh? My guy.
Okay, now. There's a rumor I've been hearing.
What rumor?
That rumor has been going left and right. It's a rumor. They said Tochi is pregnant. Is it true?
I heard it too, so I don't know.
Yay!
What is it? Somebody help! What is it? Help! Somebody help!
It's okay now. It's okay now. You don't have to worry about anything. She has been taken care of. But I must ask, you mean you didn't know about the pregnancy?
Doctor, I knew about the pregnancy, but I didn't know she was going to do abortion.
Well, I'm glad she's stable now. But she has to be very careful. She could have lost her life. Anything could have happened.
Doctor, thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome now. You're welcome. You can see her now if you want to.
Thank you so much.
Just meet the nurse. She'll direct you to the ward.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take it easy, huh?
Thank you.
I'm ashamed of myself. I have failed.
Oh, Amen.
I've lost everything. I've lost Ikenna. I've lost the pregnancy. I've done abortion. I've lost trust. My poor mother. She didn't plan for any of these things. I'm so ashamed of myself.
Toshi, take it easy on yourself, please.
What has happened.
So you won't fall sick, please.
How about Ikenna? The poor boy did not deserve any of this thing.
At all.
He did everything for me.
It's okay, Toshi. I need to go and read for my exams now.
So soon? Yes. Won't you stay a little? I need someone to talk to.
Toshi, I can't stay. I have exams to write tomorrow, please. And besides, I don't want too many people seeing me around you.
Are you avoiding me?
That yesterday, maths teacher came to our class and flogged all of us. Thank God me, I was the lucky one. At least I passed my test.
Thank God though, we don't have in this period again.
Thank God it's only next week we're having.
You guys are lucky.
So you guys are here. Have you heard?
Heard what?
That my own mighty Toshi has been flirting in the village and also got pregnant.
Yay! No wonder she has not been coming to school. I suspected something was grossly wrong.
That is not even all, my dear. I also heard that she went for an abortion and almost died.
Wow.
Wow. Tochi, how can she bring such a shame to her mother? Good girls gone bad, though.
Yes, so. This is very bad.
Toshi of all people, pregnant. No problem.
Ikena, wait. Ikena, what is it? I've been looking for you all over the school.
Oh. Principal sent for me, so that's where I was all through. Any problem?
Have you heard?
Heard what?
Hey. So you've not heard?
Yeah, good afternoon.
What? Like I was saying, now the school is going up and down with the news of Tochi's pregnancy and abortion. And guess who is involved? Guess who is spreading the news? Who? You're asking me. Her best friend, of course. Christy now. Hey. So you don't know?
No, that's not good now, eh? That's not good. That's total sellout. She's betraying her friend.
That serves her. Thank you. That serves her right. We've been warning her to stay away from that guy, but she refused. So it is okay for her. Ikenda, I'm talking to you and you're just walking out.
Mom, come, let me get...
No, come on, stop there. Stop there. Where are you going?
I want to go and get axe from Mazu this compound.
You want to go out? Go inside and hide yourself. Come on.
What did I do?
You don't know what you did. Your news is round the village that you did abortion.
Mama, how did it get out now? Who told them? Did you go around telling people?
I told somebody. Me. Do I look like you that will want to run this family down?
So, Mama, how did they get to know that I did abortion?
Come, Tochi. You decided by yourself that you will mess this family up. Based on that, Tochi, you will not cross that gate again. Tochi, your news is everywhere that you did abortion.
Mama, but I have begged you. It was a mistake, and I begged you, and you agreed that you've forgiven me. Why are you still bringing it up?
So you will be pregnant again? You want to be pregnant again? Cross your back and marry. Amara mma ukwu a ukwu nwa ka nwa kopa ji eso yali up and down. Ekwu na ukwu nne ya erika na nwata n'elu ka ibu nke nne yi. Onye ala. Onya ka o ji abịa n'anya ukwu efe kwere ezu ike n'ukwu yi. Okwu a ameme ya alụ. Amma ebe sisinata ya bụ ukwu. Come mba no iso onye ala.
Sorry, before this spouse.
Ike. Ike bobo.
Hey. What is the problem? What is funny?
I don't know. What is funny? The thing funny is that your betrothed got pregnant and aborted the pregnancy, right?
I don't understand. See, I wish Tochi knows the kind of friend she has. We want her, but she will never listen.
See, listen to me. See, I'm not going to be part of this your folly. Okay? See, did I get her pregnant?
Are you the one that misled her?
Misled.
Only God in heaven will punish you.
Punish you too.
Please.
Popo?
Please.
Aki.
Let's not just get the attention here. Let's leave.
Okay,
you're running. Popo?
Come back now. Come and challenge me. Charles, you don't mind your business. You should just stand. No, stand and challenge me. Rubbish people.
Tochi. Tochi.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Tochi. When last did you see your copper friend?
I've been calling his number, but it's not connecting. So I think it's the network.
His number is not connecting.
Yes, Mama.
Has he been picking?
That's what I said, the network. It's not connecting.
Hey, I thought you said he has come to apologize to you.
Yes, he did.
So what is going on?
He's busy. I think he's busy, that's why.
Your copper friend is busy.
Yes, Mama.
He is busy. Tochi, your copper friend is busy.
Toshi.
Even you. Me what?
So everyone ran away from me, including you.
You are a dropout. But I am not. I have exams to write, so what do you expect me to do?
You have exams even on Saturdays.
What is it, Toshi? If you didn't meet me here, would you be saying all these things to me? Eh?
I was actually coming to see you.
For what?
I've been trying to call Edwin for months now, and he's not taking my calls or returning them.
What exactly is your problem, Toshi? No, just tell me the level of your problem. Eh? He has told you he doesn't want to marry you. Eh? What is your problem? Why don't you go back to Ikena, your village boyfriend, and leave Edwin alone? For your information, Edwin is done with his NYSC and has gone back. So if you know what is good for you, just go home, sit down, restructure your mindset so you know what is really wrong with you.
Wait, he's gone back?
No, he's here.
Did he tell you when he's coming back?
Toshi, calm down. Huh? My mom is waiting for me. I want to get her something. Later we'll see.
Christy.
Toshi.
Christy. Christy?
Ikenna!
My guy!
Man, this is a very big good news. So wait, like this now, your admission has been settled into the private university.
Yes, it has been settled. Like when the principal told me, I was so excited. You know, I haven't seen the principal since after our exams. So he just invited me to his house and told me that the publication has been made. You need to pay. You need to have seen me. I was so happy.
So wait. So this is our small workshop now. We become global.
Yes, you can say that. It is now a global workshop. See, let me even tell you. You remember that my small solar cooking and roasting machine?
Of course. Who will ever forget something like that?
Good. A company in Holland that has a branch in Lagos has invited me for an interview. And if they like my work, I pray they like my work, they will not expedite my admission, send me to their own company school in Holland, study. 1 year into the scholarship.
See, they must accept that work.
They don't have a choice.
Oh, joy. But wait, how come you did not tell me this part of the story?
But I'm still telling you now, eh? I'm still telling you finally. You're hearing the information.
Yeah. You said you're going to see Tochi's mother. Are you going to tell her this part of the story?
I don't think so. I'll just tell her about the scholarship part and that's all.
Bam! This is the only time Ikenna, the Mr. Creator, is thinking straight.
Oga, point of correction. Ikenna, the inventor. Besides, I am the only one in this friendship that thinks straight. Yes, because you hardly think of anything productive. If I had told you this information before now, maybe the village youth would have had it. Even the king would have had it.
My son.
Mama.
I've always known you were destined for greatness.
Thank you, ma.
I wish I knew you and Tochi were destined to be apart. I would have done something to prevent it.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Calm down.
So, you are now going to study in the city?
Yes, Mama. Mama, I was offered admission on scholarship because I cleared all my WAEC papers. And I came out one of the best 5 in our community.
Chai. I'm nigga, me.
Thank you, Mama.
I've always known you as a very intelligent boy. Very talented boy.
Thank you, Mama.
Wherever you go, God will follow you.
Amen.
God will keep blessing you.
Amen.
You will not lack anything.
Amen.
Wow.
Mama, please, where is Tochi?
She's at the backyard.
Okay, let me tell her. I haven't told her.
Congratulations, Onna.
you called me.
Sit down, my daughter. My daughter, enough of that cry. It's time to pull yourself together and forge ahead. All hope is not lost. Are you hearing me? All hope is not lost.
Mama, I feel like I am drowning and wasting in the depth of heaviness and self-defeat. The one that I put myself in. I feel like I have failed you. I have failed the world. I failed myself.
My daughter, I've always fought for everything I wanted. It took me years before I got you. Anytime I see Ikenna, it reminds me of your father. He was so talented and gifted. I thought you and Ikenna will be together. But at the end of the day, it is not what I hoped. But like I said, all hope is not lost.
Mama, what do I do now? How do I go about it? Please tell me.
Tochi. Tochi.
Mama. You're back. Welcome. Is everything okay?
Tochi. Mama. Do you know that Edwin is in this village?
Edwin has finished his NYSC, so he's long gone.
So what is he doing in this village?
Edwin.
Yes.
Mama, are you sure you're not mistaking identity? Because Edwin is done with his NYSC and he's gone. He does not have any business in this village again.
Mistaken identity, you said?
Yes, Mama.
No problems. You have to go and find out by yourself.
Edwin.
Stop. What are you doing there?
Hello, baby, who is there?
did you come to my house to do?
I thought you apologized and promised to think about us.
Tochi, honestly, I thought about things. I thought about us and we cannot work. Honestly, it's been a year and I'm shocked you're still saying this. You need to move on with your life.
It's easy for you to say because you are the one saying and I'm the one to act.
I know, but you have to move on with your life. Just move on.
Over a year now, I paused my life for you, Edwin. You distracted me when I should have followed my friends and forged my life ahead, just like they did. And today you sit here to tell me what to do. Who is she?
Who is who?
The girl I saw you with.
Her name is Lucy. She just came back from America and she needed to see my father, so that's it.
See your father, why?
Lucy is my girlfriend and we have been dating for 3 years now and we're getting married. And you're invited. You can come with your friend, Chrissy. By the way, did I tell you she threw herself at me?
Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Go to hell. I heard how you shamelessly threw yourself at Edwin. How can you be this shameless? How can you be this shameless?
You know, Toshi, you amaze me sometimes.
Really?
What is shameless there? Huh? In going for what I want. Just like you did. Or maybe you're upset because yours blew up. But of course, I couldn't have been that careless like you were. I played my game pretty good.
You did not play any game right. I heard how we flinged you like a piece of shit. That. How dare you? How dare you? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Because I'm keeping quiet. Open your mouth. 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 You are mad. You eat grass today. You are mad. Hey. So you are the very useless and stupid idiot that Edwin wants to leave me for. Akwaya, is it just you Abi Inwozo?
Excuse me. What's that supposed to mean? Who are you?
Ona Sukwa Moyibo. You are speaking English. All right. If you must know, I am his ex-girlfriend, the one that he got pregnant and left here to suffer and die. Then he wants to marry you.
Oh, so you're that slut that threw herself at Edwin and got pregnant in the process.
Wait, what did you just call me?
What are you? Any lady that throws herself at a man, what is she called? Of course, you're a village slut.
All right. Now, I don't want you to argue with me or struggle with me. Just follow me.
Let me be.
Just, I said, don't argue with me.
Don't touch me.
I say, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Come down
Let
here.
me be.
Come here.
Shut up.
Keep your eye. Keep your eye. I said, keep your eye.
What's this?
Keep your eye before I blind you.
What is this game doing? Let me be, please.
I say, wait. I see it's this nonsense that is making you feel that you're a big girl and you can talk to me anyhow. Why ya? You want to talk to me? Why your mate? Why your mate? What is nonsense? Nonsense.
What happened to your face?
The prostitute, he got pregnant, came here and beat me up.
Don't you do this to you? Don't you?
Youth copper. Why are you making noise in my compound?
Please go inside and call that useless daughter of yours.
Hey. You call my daughter a useless daughter? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Wait, oh, you even have the effrontery to come to my father's house and blab like a goat, eh? Chelo, I'm coming. I will show you today.
No, come here. Come here, idiot. Come here, come back. Come back.
What's going on? Yeah? Where are you going with our bags?
I don't want stories anymore. I have packed all our belongings into these boxes and we are living here right now. What are we still doing here? We came to see your father and he has gone back to the city. What are we still doing here?
I thought we planned that we were going to explore my village. Then we can move over to your village.
Really? Explore? Look at me. Look at my face. Look at my face. Is it not enough exploration for you? Please, we are going to my place right now. We are living here right now. Bring these things into the car.
When you're smiling, it looks like you finished your food today again.
As usual. Tochi hot rice and stew. I even want to go another one.
You have to rest. Please. When you rest, you'll be able to cook again tomorrow. All you need to do is add the quantity you cook so that it will be enough for them tomorrow.
Okay. Mama, Is there food here? I'm very hungry.
Somebody that sells food is asking me, is there food? Why?
Mama, I cannot eat the food I'm sending to my customers.
How?
To finish.
At times, be your own customer. Feed yourself. Sell the food. Eat your food. Go inside. Go and take that one.
Is this what suffering has left of you? Hey! You look like a ghost, my dear.
Hey,
yes!
please.
You look like a ghost. Oh, suffering, oh. Hi. Now, between both of us, who is the real prostitute? Mama? Yes, who is the real prostitute?
Get out of here before I allow her beat you.
Hey, please, oh, don't release your dog, oh. This one, she's already looking like an angry dog. Before she tears me into pieces.
I said get out!
Wait, Mama, you cannot just... Akuna.
Charles! Hey! Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. Hey! Hey! Oh my God.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're looking very fine, no?
Thank you.
How is school now?
School? I'm done with school. I should be going for my NYC.
Yeah. Hey!
Wow.
I'm fine, no?
I'm so happy to see you.
Me too, I'm happy to see you. How is Ikenna?
Of course. Ikenna is fine. We talk almost all the time. I mean, we just finished talking a while ago.
Hey, that's good though. Very good.
Tochi, what's happening? What are you doing?
I'm selling food. You know, I was not able to write my head. So I rewrote the exam this time, but it's of no use. My mother cannot afford university. So I'm selling food now. But let me give you...
Wait. You mean you sell food now?
I sell food. Tasty food. Let me give you rice.
No, don't worry.
It, though.
Don't worry. I was actually heading somewhere. Maybe I will come later in the day to see you and your mother.
You come and see me. I hope you bought bread though.
No, I will get you something while coming.
Get something for me.
Sure.
Hi, you're fine, no?
Tochi.
You're fine. Good.
So good
You're
to see
fine,
you.
no? You're fine, no? Hope you bought bread, You
No,
bread,
I'll get something for you. Yeah.
Hi, bye-bye,
All right.
Tell the kid that you saw me.
No problem.
Hey.
My village. It's so good to be back here.
Yeah.
The place of my birth. You know, nothing really changed. Everything is the same. Yes. That reminds me. When last did you see Tochi? Have you seen her?
Well, I saw her the last time I came around.
Oh, wow. So how is she?
No. Okay, now. When I saw Tochi, I couldn't believe my eyes. When I saw Tochi changed entirely.
I don't understand. What do you mean by changed?
Okay. The change I use sounds positive. Tochi is gone.
Gone?
The beautiful Tochi you know is gone completely. That beautiful chocolate you know is gone completely. You needed to see what I saw the moment I set my eyes on Tochi. See, we have to go and see her and her mother. That is what we really need to do.
Definitely we would see her and her beautiful mother. But that is not why I am here. You know, I am here primarily because I want to see our principal and also thank him for being so instrumental to my growth. Because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have left this country. I wouldn't have been who I am today. So I need to see him first.
What you said is true. Yes. And I think the school is on holidays now.
Oh, perfect. Then we'd have to meet him at home.
Sure, yes.
Good.
Let's just go.
Let's no, no. This place brings back lots of memories.
You can say that again, bro.
So,
wow.
Tochi's place. Up
Yeah.
next. Tochi, anyone home? Anyone home? Is there anyone home? Tochi! Ah. Hey, Tochi, how are you? Mama.
Hey,
Good
Mama.
day, ma.
Ikenna.
Ikenna. Mom, come.
Mama.
How are you? Ikenna.
Mama, good to see you.
Oh my God.
Is that your car?
Yes, Mama, that's my car.
How? Get back in motor.
Yes, sir. My car.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Mama, that is how it happened. You know, I came here particularly to thank you for not just believing in me, but also supporting and standing by me. God bless you so much for me, Mama. Thank you.
My son, I am the one that is to thank you, not you. Because you've been a wonderful boy to this family. You've been so nice to this family. My son, for the fact you went to see the principal and came to see me again today, you are just a wonderful boy. May God Almighty keep blessing you.
Amen.
When I sang that song, tomorrow, no one knows tomorrow. Tell me, before you left, if anybody had said that you will be this today, nobody will believe it.
Honestly, Mama.
You're welcome back, my son.
Thank you.
Chai.
Thank you. Tochi.
I am not saying any of these things because I want you to stay with me. Just like Mama said, you're a good man, and I want to particularly ask you for forgiveness. I have realized my mistakes, and I ask that you find somewhere in your heart to forgive me.
Just as it used to be back in the days. How I love to forgive you whenever we had any quarrel. I've forgiven you. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama. I told you. Ikenna is back for me.
To prove that I have forgiven you, I'm going to see you through school. So any level you choose. Yes. Yes, you
Thank
have
you
to
so
go back
much.
to school.
Thank you.
It's
Thank
okay,
you.
it's okay.
Ma, I have the best man. Thank you.
It doesn't end there, Mama. I'm going to take care of you and Tochi, hence.
Hey. You come back. Thank you.
Mama.
My son.
Mama.
You've been a wonderful boy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Forgive. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Tochi, I am sorry. I don't think I want to have any romantic relationship with you anymore. I honestly don't think I don't have that feeling anymore. Please, I hope you understand.
My son, no problems. I said no problems. You have tried your best for this family, for us. My son, the way you put your bed on the floor, so you will lie down on it. Opasago onwe. No. Opasago onwe, but no opasago.
Mama, stop now.
When I was trying to talk to my daughter, she did not listen to me. Mama, you remember,
Mama,
didn't you?
Mama, it's okay.
Didn't you remember?
Mama, it's okay, please.
If you don't have any feelings, my dear, if I will not even have. I will not have. I will not. Don't need to have the feelings.
Mama, it's okay.
You've tried for us. You've tried enough.